Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, it's going to be a detailed tutorial on how to do lower back length butterfly locks, color number 27. So if you guys are interested, just continue watching. We're going to go ahead and get super detailed and in depth with this. Okay, so the hair is already box braided and the hair falls basically mid back length. So initially I thought I was going to do mid back lock, but I decided to just go ahead and do super long lower back lock. Okay, so you do not have to fold the hair in half. You can keep the hair the same length that it already is, because I'm doing a lower back length, which is longer than her hair, so you're not going to need to fold anything. However, if you want to fold and just get the hair out the way, you can. Okay, in this video I did not add any Cuban twist Marley hair. That's usually what I add to the ends of clients to get that super long length, but this hair length is pretty long, so I didn't have to really add anything to it. Okay, so yeah, so you see me crochet the middle of the client's braid just to kind of break it in half. Like I said, this is optional because you are doing lower back length. Okay, so here I am starting to wrap. So I'm going to wrap the root 3 or 4 times just to secure the root from sliding down the lock. Okay, this is going to secure it. After I wrap 3 or 4 times, I am going to start butterflying the lock. So I like to stick my thumb through, wrap around, wrap on top of the loop, and then let go when I come back around. And then I'm going to literally start another butterfly loop as I let go. Wrap around, wrap in the middle. When I come back around, let go of the loop, start another butterfly loop. Okay, wrap around, wrap in between those loops. Okay, and then come back around. Once I come back around, I'm letting go, and at the same time I'm creating another butterfly loop. Some people suggest wrapping loose. I suggest wrapping tight, so that way you have a definite lock and you don't have to worry about slippage. Okay, so yeah guys, it's the same process the whole time. Now in the video before this, I did it where you're basically kind of like beginner friendly, where I let you guys like loop, like wrap above the loop and then wrap below the loop and then start another butterfly loop. But this is more so advanced because it allows you to have a lot of butterfly loops on the lock, and you basically start another loop every single time you come back around. So yeah guys, so it's super simple. You just literally make a loop, wrap above the loop, start another loop, let go of the loop, start another loop. It's literally the same process. So every time I'm letting go of the loop, I'm actually starting another loop right under it. Okay, y'all, so here I am about to add another strand of hair. This is the process of what I do to add a strand of hair. I only add a strand of hair when I need more length, as well as when I am running out of the hair that I am wrapping with on that side. Okay, so the process that I use when it comes to adding hair, you can, if the hair is not fluffed out already, you can just go ahead and clamp the ending where you ending when it comes to the lock, or you can just go ahead and hold and just add hair as you go. So I'm showing you guys, I don't need any length on the right side, the part that I'm holding with. That determines the length that's already here. So if it was Cuban twist hair that I added, I would have that Cuban twist hair on the right side. Okay, but I do not. I have the client's hair, which is long, and then I have a freetress hair that I started off with the first strand. That's already lower back length on that side. So as you guys can see, when I'm adding the hair, I am sliding most of the hair on the left side, the wrapping hair, because I already have length. You don't need to make the length of the lock equal. You don't have to make the part that you're adding, the hair that you're adding, equal in length before you start, adding to the lock, because you need more lock and more hair on the left side because that's the side that you're wrapping with. Okay, I hope that makes sense. But yeah guys, so it's just the same process. Whenever I'm adding, I'm just going to grab hold of the new piece with my left hand and hold the little piece that I'm leaving out on the right side with that new lock, and then I'm going to wrap a couple times in that space that I'm stopping, and then I'm going to start the butterfly thing once again. Guys, it's super simple. It's super easy, especially when you go ahead and get the concept. If you want to make sure it doesn't slide, you can go ahead and start making butterfly loops already right when you're adding the hair, so that way you kind of get that extra security. Okay, y'all, so here I am adding a third piece of hair because I ran out really quick. So it's literally the same process, guys. I'm just gonna wrap 3 times in a spot. You see I'm like creating a butterfly loop already. Super simple, super easy, but I wanted to create a butterfly loop so I don't have too much of a difference in the locks, the way they look as I'm adding hair. I don't want it to be like noticeable, so I just went ahead and butterflied as soon as I added the hair, because as you guys can see in this lock, I have a lot of butterfly loops already in the lock, so I didn't want to disrupt the pattern. So yeah, guys, so it's literally the same process. I'm just going to keep on wrapping until I reach the length that I want. I usually judge off of how long the first lock falls on the client's back, but since this is not a real client, I'm just going to kind of go off my judgment, okay, of how I've already done locks in the past, and this seems like it's pretty long enough for me to, go off of. So yeah, once I finish that strand that I'm wrapping with and I reach the destination that I want to be at, I'm going to just wrap back up and call it a day with the part that I'm wrapping with. Here I am just pinching up the leftover hair that's on the right side that I was holding. I'm just literally folding up, pinching it with my finger, wrapping one time, putting the nail glue where the wrap part is, and then wrapping the rest of the hair up into the lock, and then I am done, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope it was super helpful for you guys. I'm going to just continue doing these mannequin head tutorials as well as client videos. So yeah, guys, just to give you different perspectives and make it super detailed the way you guys like it, okay? So thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.